Ever feel stuck in a slump, unmotivated, or just meh for no reason? The problem might not be you, it could be your dopamine levels. Dopamine is your brain's feel-good chemical, responsible for motivation, focus, and even happiness. And the best part? You don't need pills or hacks to boost it. You can do it naturally. From simple daily habits to surprising science-backed tricks, here are 10 powerful ways to supercharge your dopamine and start feeling amazing. Welcome back to Thriveology Phoenix. In this video, we will explore effective ways to naturally boost dopamine, a crucial neurotransmitter that plays a significant role in regulating our feelings, impulses, and overall sense of well-being. Dopamine is often referred to as the feel-good chemical, as it influences our mood, motivation, and pleasure. Understanding its importance can empower you to enhance your daily life and emotional health. As we delve into this topic, our aim is to provide you with informative and supportive insights that can help you cultivate happiness and fulfillment. By highlighting the relevance of dopamine in everyday experiences, we hope to capture your interest and inspire you to implement these natural strategies, ultimately leading to a more joyful and balanced life. Join us as we uncover the secrets to boosting your dopamine levels naturally. Dopamine is a vital neurotransmitter in the brain, primarily functioning within the reward system, where it plays a key role in reinforcing behaviors that promote survival and well-being. It is often associated with feelings of happiness, motivation, and euphoria, acting as a chemical messenger that signals pleasure and satisfaction when we achieve goals or experience enjoyable activities. This connection to our emotions makes dopamine essential for maintaining a positive outlook on life. However, low levels of dopamine can lead to significant consequences, including feelings of anxiety, depression, and a lack of motivation. Understanding the role of dopamine in our emotional landscape is crucial, as it highlights the importance of maintaining balanced levels to foster mental health and overall happiness. By nurturing dopamine production, we can enhance our emotional resilience and well-being. Excessive stimulation from social media and gaming can significantly impact dopamine levels, leading to a paradox where increased exposure results in reduced overall happiness. When we engage in these activities, our brains receive constant bursts of dopamine, creating a temporary sense of pleasure. However, over time, this overstimulation can desensitize our dopamine receptors, making it harder to experience joy from everyday activities. To combat this, it's essential to take regular breaks from these overstimulating environments, allowing our brains to reset and recover. By stepping back, we can help restore our dopamine sensitivity, which is crucial for improving our mood and enhancing our ability to find joy in simpler, more meaningful experiences. Prioritizing these breaks can lead to a healthier relationship with technology and a more balanced emotional state. Conscious state meditation is a powerful practice that focuses on cultivating awareness and presence in the moment, offering numerous benefits for mental and emotional well-being. This form of meditation encourages individuals to observe their thoughts and feelings without judgment, promoting a sense of calm and clarity. Research has shown that engaging in meditation can lead to increased dopamine levels, enhancing feelings of happiness and motivation. Studies indicate that regular meditation practice not only boosts dopamine but also improves overall brain function and emotional resilience. By incorporating conscious state meditation into your daily routine, you can create a positive feedback loop that fosters greater joy and fulfillment in life. We encourage you to set aside time each day for this transformative practice, allowing it to become a valuable tool for enhancing your mood and well-being. Sleep plays a crucial role in dopamine production, particularly during the REM, rapid eye movement stage, which is essential for emotional regulation and cognitive function. During REM sleep, the brain replenishes neurotransmitters, including dopamine, which helps maintain mood stability and motivation. To optimize your sleep schedule for better mental health, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, establish a consistent bedtime routine, and create a restful sleep environment by minimizing light and noise. Additionally, limiting screen time before bed can significantly enhance sleep quality. By prioritizing good sleep hygiene, you can wake up feeling refreshed and happy, ready to tackle the day with a positive mindset. Emphasizing the importance of restorative sleep not only boosts dopamine levels but also contributes to overall emotional well-being and resilience. Exercise has a profound connection to increased dopamine levels, often exemplified by the phenomenon known as the runner's high. This euphoric feeling experienced during and after intense physical activity is attributed to the release of endorphins and dopamine, which significantly enhance mood and promote feelings of happiness. Engaging in regular physical activity is essential for maintaining optimal mental health, as it not only boosts dopamine but also reduces stress and anxiety. We encourage viewers to incorporate various forms of exercise into their routines, whether it's running, cycling, dancing, or even brisk walking. Each of these activities can effectively elevate dopamine levels and contribute to a more positive outlook on life. By making exercise a consistent part of your lifestyle, you can harness its powerful benefits for both your body and mind, leading to greater overall well-being. Music has a remarkable ability to influence dopamine production and significantly impact our mood. When we listen to music that resonates with us emotionally, our brains release dopamine, creating feelings of pleasure and joy. This emotional connection can elevate our spirits, reduce stress, and even enhance cognitive function. We encourage viewers to curate playlists filled with their favorite uplifting songs, as these personalized collections can serve as powerful tools for boosting mood and motivation. Whether it's upbeat pop, soothing classical, or energizing rock, the right music can transform your emotional state and provide comfort during challenging times. By incorporating music into your daily routine, you can harness its potential to improve overall well-being, fostering a more positive outlook on life and enhancing your emotional resilience. Let the power of music uplift you. Sunlight exposure offers numerous benefits for dopamine production and overall mental health. Artificial light, commonly found in indoor environments, can negatively affect mood and productivity, often leading to feelings of lethargy and decreased motivation. In contrast, natural sunlight stimulates the production of dopamine, enhancing feelings of happiness and well-being. We encourage viewers to spend more time outdoors soaking up the sun's rays, as this simple practice can significantly improve your mood and energy levels. Even short walks in natural light can make a difference. The positive impact of sunlight on mental health is well documented, as it helps regulate circadian rhythms and promotes the release of serotonin, which further supports dopamine production. Embracing sunlight as part of your daily routine can lead to a brighter, more uplifting outlook on life. Stress has a significant impact on dopamine levels, inhibiting its production and negatively affecting our mood. When we experience stress, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can disrupt the balance of neurotransmitters, including dopamine. This disruption can lead to feelings of anxiety, irritability, and a lack of motivation. To combat this, it's essential to implement effective stress reduction strategies in daily life. Techniques such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and regular physical activity can help lower stress levels and promote a healthier dopamine balance. Additionally, prioritizing mental well-being through self-care practices such as spending time in nature or engaging in hobbies can further enhance your mood. We encourage viewers to recognize the importance of managing stress, as maintaining a balanced emotional state is crucial for overall happiness and mental health. The concept of flow refers to a mental state where individuals become fully immersed in an activity, experiencing heightened focus and enjoyment. This state of deep engagement not only enhances productivity but also boosts dopamine levels, leading to increased feelings of happiness and fulfillment. When in flow, people often lose track of time and feel a sense of accomplishment, which reinforces positive emotions. We encourage viewers to seek out activities that promote flow, whether it's through creative pursuits, sports, or challenging work tasks. Engaging in these immersive experiences can significantly improve your overall well-being and satisfaction in life. By dedicating time to hobbies or projects that captivate your interest, you can harness the benefits of flow, fostering a sense of purpose and joy while naturally elevating your dopamine levels. Hormesis is a fascinating concept that refers to the idea that exposure to mild stressors or challenges can lead to beneficial effects on health and well-being, including increased dopamine production. Certain types of mild pain or discomfort, such as that experienced during exercise or cold exposure, can trigger the release of dopamine, resulting in feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. For example, Taking cold showers or engaging in high-intensity workouts are everyday examples of hormesis that can enhance mood and resilience. We encourage viewers to explore moderate challenges in their lives, whether through physical activities, mental puzzles, or even stepping out of their comfort zones. Embracing these experiences can not only boost dopamine levels, but also foster personal growth and a greater sense of accomplishment, ultimately contributing to improved mental health and happiness. Creativity is closely linked to dopamine levels, as engaging in artistic hobbies can significantly boost this vital neurotransmitter, enhancing feelings of happiness and fulfillment. The act of creating, whether through painting, writing, music, or any other form of art, stimulates the brain's reward system, leading to increased dopamine release. This process not only elevates mood but also fosters a sense of accomplishment and joy. We encourage viewers to explore their artistic side by engaging in hobbies that allow for self-expression, as these activities can serve as powerful outlets for emotions and thoughts. Embracing creativity not only enriches your life but also promotes mental well-being by providing a means to process experiences and connect with others. By prioritizing artistic pursuits, you can cultivate a deeper sense of happiness and enhance your overall emotional health. In this video, we explore 10 effective habits that can naturally boost dopamine levels and enhance your overall well-being. These habits include conscious state meditation, regular exercise, exposure to sunlight, engaging in artistic hobbies, and managing stress, among others. Each of these practices plays a vital role in promoting mental health and happiness. It's essential to take action and incorporate these strategies into your daily routine to experience their benefits fully. We encourage you to start small and gradually build these habits into your life for lasting positive change. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from it. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content to support your journey toward improved mental health and happiness.